Okay, welcome. We are going to be looking at some new tools and resources that you can use to practice at home. One of the challenging things is to be able to practice at home and make sure that you're playing the correct notes. So here I am on my website. We are in Maroon Band. This is a video for the first year musicians. When you go to the Maroon Band page, you can click on for all flute, saxophones, trumpets, etc., all of the winds and brasses. We click on that. It's going to take us to the instructions that I'm going to be going through here. But here is the site that we need to go to, the activation page. And we're going to go out of that. I already activated this, but we're going to go back to activate product page. So this is the page that's going to show up for you your first time logging in and clicking on this link. When you are here, you will need to get a 5-digit number to type in that is on the back of your book, Sound Innovations book for your instrument. It will be a 5-digit number. Right now, I'm going to plug in my number for the alto saxophone and hit go. And it will take me to this library that has all of the recordings of every song in the entire book. So we're going to go to Sound Beginnings, the first chapter in the book, and go to something very recognizable, just so that we can, all understand what's going on. Hot Cross Buns. You click on it.
Hot Cross Buns.
Right once you click on something, it will automatically start playing. The key here is that you are listening really closely to your instrument that is playing in this recording, and try and ignore the other things going on, but it is really fun to play along with that. But this is a great tool for you to use at home to practice checking whether you are playing the correct notes along with the recording. I hope you find this really, really useful and have a lot of fun with it. Thanks.